In this video, we are going to walk through how volunteers can record hours for a service project through the volunteer portal. To log your hours, begin by navigating to your organization's volunteer page. Each organization is different, but this is typically found on the website of the organization with whom you are volunteering, in the same place that volunteer opportunities are posted. You will sign in by entering the email associated with your profile and your first name. Click Next and then enter your password. If you forgot your password, click on the Don't Know Password Reset Password link to be emailed a temporary password. Once you've signed in, click on the option to record or update service project activity. From this screen, you will choose the project for which you would like to record activity. Note that you must already be registered for a project for it to appear here, and these registrations often require approval. After selecting the project, enter the date you served, the number of hours, and any notes you would like to include. Credit hours should always be recorded in hours, not minutes. For example, if you volunteered for 2.5 hours, you would enter 2.5. Finally, click the button to record service project activity, and you will see it appear below in the Current Profile Service Project Activity portion of the page.